HMJ Tech's A200 is a compact gravimetric dispenser for batching ink, paint, and many other process liquids. The A200 arrives in a single crate fully configured. Just connect to power and compressed air, add your base materials and recipe book, and you're ready to start producing batches. The adjustable scale can accommodate a wide range of target containers from small cups or jugs to large pails up to 6 gallons or 22 liters. The A200 has an industrial-grade touchscreen with an intuitive interface. Everything is in one streamlined application to allow the operator to quickly set up and execute batch dispenses. Enter your batch details directly or choose production orders from your ERP system. The A200 accommodates up to 14 valves, each with 2 flow stages plus precision pulse. Small batches complete in about 90 seconds. Pails dispense in 3 to 4 minutes. The A200 includes HMJ Tech's patented valve cleaning system, which leaves the valves clean and dry after every dispense. Ingredients that are not mapped on the system can be added manually. Follow the instructions on screen for quick and precise manual additions of liquids, powders, or any other material. Optional batch labels can be printed after each dispense. Returning unused product is easy by following on-screen prompts. The system will weigh the product returning to inventory and then print a companion label. While setting up dispenses, the user will have the option to search for work-off items in inventory. This is all done from the standard dispense screen to make it easy to save money and reduce waste. The A200 is a dependable, low-maintenance system. The only regular maintenance routine is periodic cleaner fluid change and visual inspection. For a full list of features and performance specifications or for sales contacts, please visit us at hmjtech.com.